best server ng league for the
Mhm.
first round. And
Wow! What
wow,
an attack from Hernandez. It was powerful and quick, no? Para sa kupunan ng red team.
12 serving 11.
And it's good. Deo Caresa to Tibar. Oh, Geronimo with the receive. Krame. To Lagayan. And in-over muna Nunez. Uy, medyo nahirapan sa pag-receive. Deo Caresa, in-over na lang muna. Geronimo with the receive. Hernandez. Receive. Deo Caresa set to Tibar. Tibar again. Wow, Geronimo with the beautiful receives. Oh, no. An attack. Alright. Batalya set to Hernandez again. Wow! Napakagandang receive from Nunez. Consolacion. Geronimo again. Medyo awkward ang pag-receive.
Chance ball
Inover
for
muna
red
ni
team.
Hernandez. Chance ball. Deo Caresa. To Tibar. Oh, what a receive from Lagayan. Batalya set to Hernandez. Wow! Oh! Na-over ang bola. Batalya. Hernandez again. Wow, Consolacion. Oh!
White team got the point.
Wow, woo! That was breathtaking, ha? But
Ang
white
bilis ng
team ang
bola,
nanaig.
grabe.
Mhm. Grabe.
Hernandez serving for the White Angels.
Wow, Hernandez medyo gigil, ha? Deo Caresa. Tutibar. Wow!
Wonderful attack coming from Tibar. One-two play from Nunez. Back row attack.
Deo Caresa over. Batalya. 2. Ay, hinabol ni Hernandez. Oh! It was inside. Wow. From white team. Uy! Consolacion.
Nice first ball.
Tibar. Oh!
Dagap.
Pero ito naman si Hernandez. Uy, limousine niya with that good receive. Deo Caresa. Yun lang.
May error, bawi lang. Oh, hindi tayo pwede ma-stuck sa errors.
Consolacion nga pala para Tibar with the attack. Wow, Geronimo.
Dagap by Geronimo.
Doing it tonight. Hernandez.
Hernandez. But it's out. Deo Caresa serving.
Receive from Lagayan. Easy set para kay... Oy,
Butas na butas. Sayang. Kailangan ng ayusin ng Red ang kanilang receipt.
Service is good. Deo Caresa. To Nunez. To Deo Caresa. Oh.
It's too low. 4-point lead for the White Angels. Set to Hernandez. Nunez. Block by Nunez. Drop ball by Nunez.
Are we going to rain her as the drop ball queen?
2-point lead for the White